Hello guys, in today's video I'll be solving this problem, that is 3 sum. Okay, if this question comes up in your interview, how you will solve this question very efficiently so that your interviewer will select you. So before solving the question, I just need to show you that this is my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe for Leetcode related videos and interview preparation, because you can see I have created multiple playlists where you can go and check out those most important questions that are asked in big MNCs. I have different playlists for arrays, recursion, strings, and currently I'm continuing array playlist. So please subscribe the channel so that I would be motivated, and like and share these videos with all your friends who are interested in learning coding. So let's start the video without wasting any more time. Here you can see, let me explain a bit about this question. So whenever you go to the interview, even if you know the optimized solution, never start with the optimized solution. Okay. So here let me explain you what this question says. Okay. The question says this is the array given to you. Okay. And you have to find out the triplets. Triplets means you have to find 3 different numbers from this array, which if you add them makes up a sum of 0. Means by adding 3 number, you are getting 0. Okay, so that is what it is asking. So you will have to return those numbers in array, and the final array should be a nested array, okay, which contains multiple pairs. Okay, if you are unable to find any pair, then you can simply return a empty array. Okay, so how you will approach the solution? So first of all, tell to your interviewer that the brute force approach for this will be, you will start your ith loop from starting index, j will be I plus 1 and k will be j plus 1. Okay, so what you will be doing here, these loops will be iterating and you will be finding those arrays like I nums of I plus j plus k. If that is equals to target, then you will return that pair. Okay, that is how you will approach your brute force. Okay, as in it is an interview and you are expected to return an optimal solution, what you have to do, you have to first of all sort the array. Why I'm telling you to sort the array? Because see, after sorting, what will happen, if it contains negative things or negative numbers, it will come to left side, middle values will be zeros if zeros are there, and to the right side it will be positive numbers. Okay, so I loop will, you will start from the starting, j will be every time I plus 1 and k will be every time length, whatever the length is there, length minus 1. And these are the 2 pointers j and k. You will have to utilize these 2 pointers to solve your answer. Means you, if you see minus 3 is there in the I, 0 is here and 3 is here. So if I sum it up, minus 3 plus 0 plus 3 is what? Is 0. That means you got your one of your solution. Okay, so this is how you will be solving your answer. So let me solve it and show you how you can more optimize this solution. So first thing is we have to sort our numbers. Okay, so for sorting in ascending order in JavaScript, we can simply do this. It will sort the numbers in the ascending order, and after sorting we will be having our answer array, we will be having our length, that will be nums dot length. Okay, and at last we will be returning our answer. That part also I have done. So what we will be doing, we will be starting the ith loop from 0, it will go up to end, and I will simply do I plus plus. Okay, and note, it may contain duplicates, so that thing also we should take care. Means if I'm doing minus 3 0, so this 3 is also there, so that same number we should not return. Okay, minus 3 0 3 and again 3 0 minus 3, so that kind of thing also we should not do. Okay, so we should take care of that all the things. So first of all, let me write the ith loop from starting to ending, which it will run. Okay, but we also need to take care, if maybe minus 3 is here, if next element again will come minus 3, so if we already done operation with minus 3 there, it does not mean any sense to again do with the minus 3. Okay, because it will give same template again and again. Okay, so that for that case what we will do, we'll simply tell if our I is greater than 0 and our nums of I is equals to nums of I minus 1, that means the previous element and current elements are same, then please continue. Means we will not go forward. From here it will again move the I to next and it will continue. Okay, so if this is not the case, means we are getting a different number in I, then what we will be doing, we will be first of all taking left and right pointers, like j I said you, that will be I plus 1, and again k I will be taking, and k will be what? Length minus 1. Why I am taking length minus 1? Because it should stand here and array is 0 based, so length minus will give you this pointer. Okay, then what we will be doing, we will be simply running a while loop, and in this while loop we will check if j is less than k. Okay, because if both are equal, means standing at equal location or index, or if both are crossing each other, then we have to exit from the loop. So I can simply write let sum equals to nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k. Okay, then I will check if my sum, whatever I am having, if that will equal to target, means target is not here, that is 0 as it is given here, it is not dynamic target, so every time it will be 0. If that is 0, then what we will be doing, else if our sum is greater than 0, then what we'll be doing, and at last else. So if you carefully observe here, see, if our sum, assume in this place, if it is not 3, if it is 4, okay, so what you will be doing, you will move this k here, because if you take this 4, the number itself is greater than the target, then you will move this k from here to here. That is what you will do, right? So that is what we will be also writing in the code. If our sum is greater than 0, then simply do k minus minus, because k is already standing here, which is the last index. We'll do simply minus minus to go one step back, okay? And if that is not the case, means if our j element what we are having here, if that is smaller, means maybe this will be -1, okay? So it's not possible for us to make that sum, okay? So what we'll be doing, we will be doing j plus plus at that kind of scenario. But if it is matching to our sum, then what we'll do, we'll simply push it to the answer. What we'll push, nums of I, comma, nums of j, comma, nums of k, because it should also maintain the order, okay? We have to return in the order of ascending order, okay? So after putting this one, we will be moving the j one step forward, we'll moving the k one step back, okay? So that it will do other operations. But we also need to check after moving that, means assume I moved this 0 from here to here, and assume this one is also 0. So already if you have done operation with 0, so if you again doing operation with 0, it will also give you that same elements, right? So that case also you will handle for j and k also. Assume this is 3. So if you have done the operation with 3, again you are doing the operation with 3, it does not make any sense, right? Because already you have done operation with that. So that is also we have to check. So here we'll run a while loop and we'll check j is less than equals to k. If j is less than equals to k and nums of j is equals to nums of j minus 1, because you have done increment operator here. If that is the case, simply do j plus plus, means if same element are there, then do j plus plus. Again that same thing I am writing, but this time with k, and this will be k plus 1, because we have done k minus minus, okay? So for this we will be doing k minus minus if this thing happens, and at last we are returning the answer. So let me run my solution. So you can see it passed 3 test cases. So let me submit my solution. You can see it passed all the test cases, that is 315 test cases. And if you liked my approach, then please subscribe the channel and share with your friends who are preparing for the interviews. If you have any doubt, then please write in the comment section. I will surely reply. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.